हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक है सिविक्स। तो कुछ सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये 1 मार्क्स 10 क्वेश्चंस है, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ इंडियन पार्लियामेंट? आंसर, the 3 constituents of Indian Parliament are the President, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Number 2. State the minimum number of times the Lok Sabha must meet in a year. The Lok Sabha must meet at least twice in a year. Normally 3 sessions are held in a year. Number 3. Why is Rajya Sabha called a permanent house? Number 3. The Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved by the President of India. It is a permanent body. It has to play the major role during the periods when Lok Sabha is dissolved. Number 4. Who elect the President of India? Answer. It is elected member of the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, along with the elected members of the state legislatures who indirectly elect, ये spelling mistake है, elect होगा ये, elect the president. Number 5. Name the main constituents of the Union Executive. Number 5. According to the Indian Constitution, the President, the Vice President and the Prime Minister along with his Council of Ministers make up the Union Executive. Number 6. Mention one way by which the authority of the Prime Minister can be checked. Number 6. Answer. The authority of Prime Minister can be checked by the press and public opinion. 7. What is an ordinance? When can it be passed? Ordinance. Answer. An ordinance is a direction or command of an authoritative nature. It has the same force and effect of an act of parliament. It is issued by the president when both the house of the parliament are not in session. Number 8. What is meant by a single integrated judicial system as provided in the Indian Constitution? Answer. Under Indian Constitution, there is a single integrated system of courts for the Union as well as the states, which administer both Union and state laws, and at the head of the entire system stands the Supreme Court of India. मैंने लिखा हुआ है, कुछ शॉर्ट से कुछ स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है। All the courts in India constitute a single hierarchy, which means that each lower court is subordinate to its higher one, with the Supreme Court at the top. Hierarchy means a system or organizations that has many levels from lowest to highest. Okay. Next question. Name Name two high courts which have jurisdictions over more than one state. Answer. The two high courts which have jurisdictions over more than one state are Guwahati High Court and Punjab and Haryana High Court. Guwahati High Court has largest jurisdictions in terms of state. It covers the state of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. Punjab and Haryana High Court, situated at Chandigarh, has jurisdictions over the states of Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Last. What are the qualifications of a Supreme Court judge? A person shall not be qualified for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court unless he is a citizen of India and either a distinguished jurist or has been High Court judge for at least 5 years or has been an advocate of High Court bracket or two or more such courts in succession bracket close for at least 10 years. Subscribe for more notes. सब्सक्राइब नोट्स देख लिए, आप सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो.